Hello again, Nate Adams here. At this point, you've taken the comfort quiz, and hopefully you've watched the duct pressure and six functions videos. Now you're curious what's involved in a free quote and how it differs from a comfort consult. About 70% of clients choose the free quote. If you scored low on the comfort quiz, this is likely the best path for you. An HVAC 2.0 free quote is an industry standard like for like quote. What is different is that it will offer a range of equipment choices and installation options that allow your new system to achieve as many of the six functions of HVAC as you would like to have in your new system. If you choose basic equipment, keep in mind that new efficiency standards may ironically degrade your comfort levels a bit. Variable speed equipment is likely to increase your comfort levels. You'll also be offered duct pressure testing to see if you have enough ductwork to keep your pressure low and extend the life of your new system. As you learned in the duct pressure video, modern high efficiency HVAC systems are much more sensitive to duct pressure than older systems were. Worse, about half of systems are in the danger zone for early failure. If your system is loud, you may want to request duct pressure testing. No detailed sizing calculations are included in a free quote. If you want to know exactly what size equipment is appropriate for your home and how to solve comfort problems, that is what the Comfort Consult is designed to do. Whatever you decide, your HVAC 2.0 contractor is there to help you understand your options. Thanks again, and good luck with your project.